Listen, you are a white lady telling me what is racist to you,
I'm
which
a
is
gay
fine.
American who's been told what homophobia and hatred looks like.
You don't think it's
have been-
racist if somebody turns to the leader of the free country and says, can you park my car?
You know, is it racist? Do you think it's racism? I don't know.
I have a black kid I raised, Whoopi. I have a kid in my house.
That is not the
You don't
same
have to be
thing.
black to know what racism
Yes,
is.
you do.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do,
No,
baby.
you do not.
Yes, you
Gather around, folks, because Rosie O'Donnell just spilled some major tea during her jaw-dropping appearance on Brooke Shields' podcast, Now What? If you thought daytime talk shows were all about camaraderie and discussions, think again. Rosie didn't hold back one bit as she took a stroll down the memory lane of her tumultuous time on the iconic show The View. Taking a stroll down memory lane, Rosie harked back to her entry into the daytime talk show in 2006. She didn't hesitate to hint that the show's dynamics weren't exactly harmonious. She didn't name names, but subtly indicated that Elizabeth Hasselbeck was a prominent player in the melodrama. Moreover, she hinted at a mysterious figure pulling the strings, referring to the show being less about women's voices and more about the directives of a certain white male CIS producer, the late Bill Getty. But the real juicy bits were reserved for her interactions with the current host, Whoopie Goldberg. Rosie's narrative took a turn as she revealed her initial exit was a result of her clashes with Hasselbeck, but upon her return, it was Whoopi who emerged as the thorn in her side. These clashes weren't just everyday disagreements, they revolved around some pretty dark and controversial topics.
I have a black kid I raised, Whoopi. I have a kid in my house.
That is not the
You don't
same
have to be
thing.
black to know what racism
Yes,
is.
you do.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do,
no,
baby.
you do not.
Anyway, delving into the specifics of their disputes, Rosie dropped a bombshell. Apparently, Rosie and Whoopi's worlds collided over the essay case involving you-know-who, but that wasn't the only shocker. Rosie spilled that The View seemingly turned a blind eye to significant matters like the Rory Kennedy documentary about Abu Ghraib and the alleged U.S. torture, and even the essay allegations. Rosie was taken aback when Whoopi flat out refused to discuss these matters on air, while the world watched the legal battle unfold. The drama reached its pinnacle in 2007 when ABC decided to part ways with Rosie, effectively ending her contract. However, this incident wasn't the first time Rosie had aired her grievances against Whoopi. She made waves in 2020 when she chatted with Howard Stern, revealing that their relationship had been rocky from the very start. Rosie humorously recounted an incident involving a commercial break signal that Whoopi supposedly missed, leading to tension right from day one.